everyone. Let me reintroduce myself. My name is Lilian Afegbai. I'm a vlogger, fashion addict, an award-winning actor, and now an AMVCA award-winning producer. Remember last episode when I told you have to fight for your dream? People would call you names, call you a failure, tell you can't do this, you can't, you are too small. You don't need them. You don't need. The only verification you need in life is from God. But you must know, as of when I shot last episode, I had no clue that I'll be winning the AMVCA.
Thank you to God. I want to thank my family, my fans.
And now, I am sitting, talking to you as an AMVCA award-winning producer. Oh, come on, I deserve some accolades. Give me my accolades. Give me my accolades. You must agree with me that this definitely calls for a celebration, right? Benny, where's my champagne? Cheers. So, a lot of my friends have been at me for my speech moment.
Okay, I actually prepared a speech, but obviously I'm not going to use that. I can't remember, so I'm just gonna...
Enough! You would never know how it feels until you walk up that stage. And then millions of thoughts start flooding through your head and you start saying, Baba God, oh, my dress, my speech, we cannot follow. And all of a sudden you go up the stage and you see a sea of heads. And you go blank. You can't even express yourself. You're overwhelmed. But now, I have the time to give my speech. Benny! Where's my speech and my award? Ta-da! Yeah, it's a really long list. But don't worry, I got time. I just want to thank God. Thank you so much. My publicist, my friend. I just want to thank everybody that's for their band. Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you for riding with me. I love you so much. I love you. Mwah!